In Waddinxveen, you find our state-of-the-art packing station with 5,000 square meters of production space and 2,500 storage places. This location is perfect for various repacking and packing activities for fruits and vegetables. With our dedicated team, we strive to assist our customers in the best possible way every day. Our one-stop shop solution offers complete management of logistics and packing activities. During transportation, some fruits or vegetables may decrease in quality. Therefore, we have our own quality controller to check what needs to be repacked before sending the product to its final destination. Our Waddinxveen location holds the IFS, SCUL, and HEO certificates, indicating that we meet the quality standards for fruits and vegetables and can handle import flows immediately. In Waddinxveen, we offer a wide range of services including laser branding, foodtainer, and carton sleeve. All our services are available in both conventional and organic. Curious about our location in Waddinxveen? Schedule a visit to see it for yourself. We look forward to meeting you soon.